Assalamu alaikum. So here we'll see how to load font, and then we'll also see how to use the font in our Material app. Anyway, so make sure that you have your pubspec.ymal file is ready, and inside there should be a tag where it says font, okay, like this. So it should be right below assets. Anyway, I can expand it and make sure that they all fall along together. So that should be one tab actually, or 4 spaces. Anyway, and then you could do like, say, have this dash and then 1 space over here, and then most probably 2 spaces, and then over here you should have family and then your font's name. Now of course I have actually 2 fonts over here, this one and the other one, so they're coming from 2 different family. And then right after family you're gonna write the keyword fonts, and then in the exact format you gotta put your fonts, the font files. Now of course this path depends on you, okay? All right, so in my case we are putting it in assets fonts Poppins folder. So assets fonts Poppins. Now I have another font that is Ionic, which I showed you earlier. Anyway, so it has to be like this. Now you can check out the format from the description section as well if you want. So make sure this is correct. All right, and after that you need to come to your main.dart file, and you need to locate your Material app. So in my case this is the Material app, and over here inside theme data I have this font family, and here all I did simply fonts.poppins, so it'd be able to locate this one. So that's how you go ahead and load fonts. Once again, if you have different fonts, all they have to be under this family tag or keyword. Thank you.